afternoon, students. This is me, teacher Bruno, and today we're going to study about future forms, will and going to. Two ways to talk about future actions. Let's take a look at the formula. So the formula for will, it doesn't matter what is the subject. I will, you will, he will, she will. All the subjects use will. This is the contraction, I'll, you'll, he'll, she'll, etc., etc. Negative form, I will not, but it's way more common. Choose the contraction, I won't. I won't study, I won't pay, I won't go. Will you, will he? Also, don't forget about short answer. It is necessary to use the same auxiliary. So, will you go? Yes, I will. Going to requires the use of the verb to be, and going to for future. He's going to play. He's not going to play. Remember that it's way more common to use the gonna, especially for spoken communication. Way more common. He's gonna play. He's gonna study. But please, never write, because that's just too informal. Let's analyze the circumstances in which we use them. So will is mostly used for predictions, just like going to, so it doesn't matter if you're not sure about it. If it's just a prediction, you can use both forms, and that's okay. But if you have any clear indication, for example, you look at the sky, it's dark, it's gonna rain, because you have an indication. If it's a simple prediction, you can use both and no problem whatsoever. We use will for decisions you take at the moment. This is extremely important. Instantaneous decisions. You decided right now. I'll go to the bathroom. I'll answer the door. I'll answer the phone. It's not a plan. It's an instant decision. We use will. We don't have sugar. Don't worry. I'll buy some. That's an instant decision. On the other hand, we use going to for actions that we've already decided earlier. I'm going for a swim. I'm going to study English tomorrow. I'm going to work tomorrow. I didn't decide right now. It's not an instant decision, so we use going to. These are the two forms for future simple. Remember, the most important thing here is instant decisions or intentions and plans. So for plans, we use going to, and for instant decisions, we use will. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more. Thank you.